Racing just is started. We have entered number 5. Survey break quickly at a start. Moving up now on the side. Showmaster Inquiry. Grace Park Boy in the middle. Down on the inside. Summit Dancer para sa'yo. Brazilian Babe. Stormy Norman. Then comes Don Alejandro. Biodata comes next. Hurricane Ali. While especially discreet is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Survey by our length and a half. Showmaster in second. Grace Park Boy is racing in third. Inquiry is racing in fourth. Stormy Norman comes next. Moving up now on the outside para sa'yo. Down on the inside comes Summit Dancer. Brazilian Babe Biodata. Likewise rushing up in the middle portion. Then comes Don Alejandro. Next on line is Hurricane Ali. While especially discreet, still racing in less than a fourth turn. We have Showmaster Grace Park Boy. Watch out! Then here comes Biodata. Now moving up to take third. Survey driving back in fourth. Then comes Brazilian Babe. And Diana Winter in the home stretch. We have Grace Park Boy. Down on the inside is Showmaster. Biodata still in third with about 100 meters of the race. Grace Park Boy, Biodata is on the outside, moving up, and finally is going to be Biodata. Grace Park Boy, Showmaster, Hurricane Ali. Then comes Brazilian Babe, Close Survey para sa'yo.